Randomir Potawatomi Hotel Casino. I'm going to play Ultimate Firelink for Ultimate Firelink Sundays. That's the same slot I played last week, except this time I'm going to do minimum bet on 2 cent instead of 1 cent. Because all the UFL slots in here are full. So I didn't want to lose my spot. So minimum bet on 2 cent denom is going to be $1. So I'll put $40 cashed in. Either double my money or lose it. One or the other. Here we go. See if we can get this one to be active like we got last week. Come on, do it. Oh. So we have to get any kind of hits too. Come on, let's get something going here. Bugs me when they put the fireball in there, block all your wilds. Mini would have been 3168. It might be a short video this Sunday. Man, nice hit here. Only 9 spins left. Gotta get something going. Now, where was the other two? Well, that was fast. 3-minute video this time. Well, gonna break my rule because I'm not giving you a 3-minute video. I'm gonna put another 20 in, but I'm gonna go down to minimum bet 50 cents. On penny denomination. If we don't get it on this, we're done. Since last week, Sunday, it was so active on 50 cent on penny denomination. Come on, we can do it. Let's find those fireballs. There we go. Finally got something. $12. Get a couple more hits like that would be nice. Come on. Do it. First time I ever seen those two come up like that. Didn't even get it last week. I feel a bonus coming. Come on, let's get something going here. Do it. Sure is teasing. Come on, bonus, let's go. I ain't saying nothing that time, and maybe we'll get it. Alright, a little something there to keep us going. Okay, I'm going to go to 2 cents for the last 5 spins. See if we can catch it. All right. Nope, we ended up putting $60 cash in, cashing out 10 cents. See what we can do on the next one.